Good morning, student. Welcome to the online math class, and this is a class 8 video. In this video, I have to explain the question number 9 up to 13 of exercise 16.2. In my previous video, we have to explain the question number 7 to 9. 6 to 5th to 8th, and in this video, we have to explain 9 to 13 question. So student, I have to ask one thing, if you have any type of doubt in the syllabus, then you have to give your comment in the below of this video. I have to give you a deleted syllabus, and also your syllabus comes in your exam. Okay, so we have to start our video with my first question. Here your first question is this. Before seeing this video, I give you one instruction. Okay, everyone take your book and notebook, and then you have to see this video, because if you are not have any notebook, any formula you are not learned, then how to know okay, what the question is says and how the question is solved. Okay, so everyone take your book and notebook and learn all these formulas, that is uh, help for solving these exercise. Before starting this video, we have to give you the formula video, so everyone learn this video. See this video and learn all these formulas. Okay, so the question number 9 is here. uh, Here 54 liter, there is not a 54, there is a 154 liter of a water of poured into an upright cylinder tank in the radius of this 7 meter, and find the depth of the water in the tank in the centimeter. So it will say that this is the capacity of a volume, that is a capacity of a cylinder is given here, because liter is a liquid and liquid have the capacity. So this is capacity is given of that shape, cylinder की shape की capacity is given there, and also radius you have, the cylinder radius you have, and then you have to find the depth. So depth is called in the cylinder as a height. So you have to find the height, and you have a capacity and radius here. Okay, now this is a solution. So solution is given there. So for this you have to find or convert your capacity into the volume, and then after you have to apply the formula and put the value of radius, and then you calculate these things and find the value of r h here. Okay, so you have to know कि volume of the water is 154 liter. So you have to convert these things just like in a meter cube, after divide of 1000 of this value 154 divided by 1000, and then you have to convert this liter into meter cube, that is your volume. And also you very well know the radius of the cylinder is 7, so you have to put the value here 7 into 7, because r square is there, so that's mean r into r. So you have to put the value 7 into 7. Pi is 22 upon 7, so this value is converted just like 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into h is equal to 154 upon 1000. Now you have to convert these things just like for finding the value of h. Okay, so you have to put cut the 7 with 7, and then this 22 and this 7 is going there and convert into the divide. So this value converted just like 154 upon 1000 into 22 into 7, and you have to cut this 22 with 154 and get the 7, and 7 cut with 7, and then after you get 1 upon 1000 meter. This is the height of the uh, water. Here you have here in this question you have to convert the height of a cylinder into the centimeter, and you very well know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So h is equal to 100 upon 1000, and you have to cut 20 with 20, and then you get the value of h. So h is equal to 0.1 centimeter. This is the required answer of that question. Okay, now we have to know about the next question, question number 10. a cylindrical metal rod of the radius 6.3 meter and the length of that rod is 90 centimeter. Here this is a form in the centimeters, so you have to convert this unit into the meter and then you have to put that value in your formulas. So this metallic rod melt it here. So melt means in my starting video of this chapter we have to explain what is the meaning of melt here. So melt means volume. You have to find the volume here and that volume converted into the new cylinder, that's radius is this. So that radius is also given in a centimeter, so you have to convert this value into the centimeter meter and then you have to use the formula. Okay, so this value you have to convert just like that, and after these things you have to find your answer with the help of these things. So how to find this value, you very well know. Okay, we have to explain again because this question you have to do at your home in your homework. I repeat again, that is the value here, that is the value here, you very well know. Okay, radius of a old cylinder is given there, radius of a old cylinder is given there. तो radius क्या है आपके पास 0.6.3 meter, and then you have to convert the L means your height. So height of a cylinder is there, so height of a cylinder is 90 upon 100 and that value is converted 0.9 meter. Okay, so this is the dimension of a old cylinder, and new cylinder's dimension is given only the radius, you have to find the height. So radius dimension is 5.6 centimeter, you have to convert this value into the meter after divide with 100, and then you have to put the volume of this cylinder, this old cylinder equal to the volume of this new cylinder, and then you have to cut the value pi with pi and put the value of radius and the height or length, and again you have to solve these things and find your answer. This is your homework question, so everyone do it at your home. Now we have to explain you the next question. A rectangle a rectangle sheet of paper 72 centimeter into 48 centimeter is rolled along its length and a cylinder is formed. Then find the volume of cylinder. So here this did you know these things? Okay, this is a rectangular sheet. So this rectangular sheet have a length is 72 centimeter, and also the length and also the breadth of these things is 48 centimeter, and this sheet converted into the cylinder just like that. Okay, you have to roll this paper and make a cylinder here. So that time you very well know the radius of the length of these things is converted as a 48. Okay, so 48 is the diameter and this height is 72 centimeter here, and then after you have to find the value of the volume of a cylinder. Here one thing you very well know, along its length, this question is given that things along its length, so we have to convert this value because this is a length and this is your breadth. So you have to do use these things as a diameter, and then after this diameter you have to convert in the radius after divide with 2, and then you have to find the answer. Okay, so see this is a d is equal to 48, and after divide with 2 this value converted 24 centimeter, and height is a 72 centimeter here, and then you have to apply the formula of volume and get your. So here you very well know कि volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, and you have to put the value of r and h here. Pi is 3.14 and r is 24 and into 24, that's value is r square. So that's mean you have to write r into r and value of h is 72 here, and put it all the value and multiply it, then your answer is going there 130,222.08 centimeter cube, and this value you have to convert into meter cube after divide with 100 into 100 into 100. That's mean you have to divide with 10 lakh approx, and then you have to get the value 1.3022 meter cube. This is the required answer of that question. And if you here one question we have to ask you, you have to rotate your paper for making the cylinder with respect to or along with breath. That time the volume of the cylinder is to be changed. You have to do this question after rotating the paper along with breath, and then after you have to find the volume of cylinder at your home. This is your also be your homework. Okay, now the next question is, a well is dragging a well is dragging 25 depth 25-meter depth and has a diameter is 14 meter. The earth thus digging out is spreading on the rectangle plot is 25-meter long and 7-meter broad. What is the height of the plot? What is the height of the platform so far? मीन्स कि आपके पास एक कुआं है, कुएं से मिट्टी निकाली जा रही है 25 मीटर डेप्थ तक की, जिसका जो कुएं का जो डायमीटर है वो आपके पास 40 मीटर का है, और उस कुएं से जो मिट्टी निकलेगी वो आपको स्प्रेड करनी है, फैलानी है अर्थ पर एक रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म में। तो वो उस रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म में जब आप फैलाओगे तो वो रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म बनता बनता आपके पास किस फॉर्म में बन जाएगा? क्यूबॉइड फॉर्म में बन जाएगा। तो दैट टाइम व्हेन यू हैव ए क्यूबॉइड, तो क्यूबॉइड फॉर्म में बन जाएगा। तो दैट टाइम इट विल गिव कि द लेंथ ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड इज 25 मीटर एंड द ब्रेथ इज 7 centimeter, but it will say कि you have to find the height of that box. And also you very well know that this is your cylinder and the dimension of a cylinder is given here, because this is a 25 meter long, that means this is converted as a height. And also it will say कि that's value कि इसकी जो diameter है, the diameter is 14 centimeter. So you very well know, you find the radius with the help of diameter after divide with 2. So r is equal to 7 meter. So these dimension you have, and then you have to find the value of the height of this platform. Okay, now you have to do these things के volume of a cylinder, because if anything is empty there, so that time the volume of a cylinder is equal to the volume of a cuboid here. Okay, so volume of a cylinder you very well know what is the formula you have. So pi r square h, and that time the value of r is 7 and h is 25. So you have to put here and put the value. Pi is 22 upon 7 and r square means r into r, that means 7 into 7. So that means 7 into 7 into 25, and cut this value with this, and then you get the 22 into 7 into 25. So this value you have and multiply these things, and then you get the volume of a cylinder. According to the question, you very well know that this volume is spread on the earth and make the cube, so that the volume of a cylinder is equal to the volume of a cuboid. You very well know when anything is filled is anywhere, so that time it will have the volume. And if it will spread or anywhere, any on the earth or anything on anywhere, so that time it is converted the volume into the new shape of a volume. So that's why we have to put the volume of a cylinder is equal to volume of a cuboid. So that time you very well know कि volume of a cylinder is 3850 is equal to volume of cuboid. You very well know length into breadth into height here. So length into breadth into height here. So that's mean 25 into 7 into h, and then you have to find the value of h, h is equal to 3850 upon this value is in the form of multiply and going there and converted as a divide. So h is equal to 3850 upon 25 into 7, and this value 25 cut this value and this 7 is also cut this value and get only 22. So h is equal to 22 centimeter. So this is the height of a box or that shape or that cuboid. Okay, so here the height is 22 meter. So by this way you have to solve your question, and then one things I also ask you कि here question number 13, okay, is also your homework. So you have to do the question number 13 at your home. If any type of doubt in the question number 13 or question number uh, 10, in question number 10, in question number 13, if you have any type of doubt, then you have to comment me below of this video. I give you the reply as soon as possible and also solve your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this video, but one things I have to remember you कि everyone complete your work and send me your copy in the form of PDF. And also if you are not complete your work, so that time when I have to check your copy and you don't complete your work, I am not able to sit you in your exam. So everyone complete your work as soon as possible and give your PDF. Make the pick the picture of that copy and make the PDF and send me separately or at my number. Okay, so if you have any type of concern, then you have to ask me directly or also in the form of comment. Student, in the next video we have to start your data handling, and before starting this chapter we have to discuss about the data, and also we have to discuss about the some important sum that is help to understood that chapter. So you have to see the next video. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.